Hello everyone, welcome to the Market Outlook this Wednesday morning at around about 10:50. As I speak to all of you all this midweek, given the fact that on Monday we had an holiday on account of Holi, and on Friday this weekend we have a holiday on account of Good Friday, so a truncated week. Today and tomorrow are the only two trading days. So before I go any further, let me give you the levels of Sensex, Nifty, Bank Nifty, Rupee Dollar and crude oil at around about 10 past 15, that is 10:15 this Monday morning. Strong uptick on the Sensex, 498 points up, 72,965 is the level on Sensex. Nifty 150 points up, 22,150 is the level on Nifty Spot. Nifty Bank or Bank Nifty 290 points up, 46,890 is the level on Bank Nifty or Nifty Bank. Rupee dollar equation, well, after seeing a considerable strength in the rupee against the dollar, rupee has weakened against the dollar, and the level is about 83.32 rupees to a dollar, and a weakness of about 0.05 paise on the rupee dollar equation. Crude oil, well, there was an unfortunate incident in the international arena, and that is the primary reason why we have seen the crude oil prices on an uptick, and there was an attack by Ukraine on the Russian refinery, which led to Brent crossing over $85 to a barrel and NYMEX crossing about $82 to a barrel. But currently, a small bit of correction from those levels. Brent is trading at about $85.51 to a barrel, and NYMEX is trading at about $81.01 to a barrel. Expect weakness after the geopolitical situation that happened in Russia, which was attacked by Ukraine as far as their oil refining capacity is concerned. Coming to the market trends, I think after being in a range-bound mode, the levels where we are trading at about 72,965 is going to be very, very crucial on the Sensex, and 22,150 is going to be crucial as far as the Nifty Spot is concerned. And the reason why I say this is because, over the last couple of weeks, we've been able to recover from the lower levels, but crossing over 22,200 on the Nifty Spot and maintaining a close above that level is proving to be difficult, primarily because of various reasons: overhead supply, elections coming closer, fourth quarter earnings coming closer, and more importantly, today we have the weekly expiry, and tomorrow we will have the monthly expiry as far as the F&O segments are concerned. So expect markets to be choppy and volatile, but stock specific news actions will definitely be there, and I think one will have to concentrate over there. Starting second week of April 2024, that is next month, we will have a curtain raiser for the fourth and the final quarter of this financial year. I think a color shade performance should be better in terms of corporate India earnings for the fourth quarter, and sector and stock specific moves will be seen as and when we saw those earnings unfold. Don't expect great outperformance or any kind of sharp deeper correction. If I have to put a perspective as far as the spot Nifty higher end and lower end is concerned, now the fact that we are trading at 22,150, and like I mentioned, 22,200 is top heavy feeling. We were not able to cross over that. So important to see today, tomorrow, because that's the only two trading days, or maybe next week. If there is any positivity and we are able to cross over there, then the upside opens up. But in case if we have to correct from here, then once again 21,900, 21,950, and if the pressure is more, then 21,750 could be the level in worst case scenario. But hope that we are able to maintain 21,900, 21,950 on the preliminary downward correction. If not, then straight away you have a downward tick of about another 200 points, taking us down to 21,750. Since the volatility is so huge, hence the downward move is going to be so broad. So please bear in mind, again, we would like to repeat, as we have the election dates coming closer, the first phase of election coming closer, choppiness and volatility is going to increase. Second longest election phase post independence, going up to 1st of June, and on 4th of June we'll have the results of the general election. Till that time, markets are going to be very choppy, depending upon news flows, arguments, counter arguments, statements made by different political parties and leaders, etc., etc. So be prepared for this choppiness. And if you don't have the appetite, please try to take home whatever you have, sit on the sideline, come back after you have the clarity as far as the election is concerned. And if not, you will have plenty of opportunities during this volatile time to cherry pick certain investment ideas from a long term point of view. Friends, always, when we interact with all of you all every week, we give you two investment ideas. Well, this one today we have one from the textile stroke real estate, and the other one is from public sector bank. The first one is Raymond's Limited. Again, more for the business, much more for the land parcel that this company's got, and the opportunity to develop that land parcel will transform earning visibility, and historical business will also contribute to a great extent. They have launched certain very interesting fabrics, especially in the high-end linen segment, which has found a tremendous amount of traction as far as customers are concerned. So first investment idea on the fundamental side is Raymond Limited, and the second one is India's largest public sector bank, or India's largest bank, State Bank of India. We've been speaking about State Bank of India for quite some time, and we've been maintaining our positive view on the fundamental side on State Bank of India. And our sense is that after a brief period of profit booking that we witnessed in public sector companies and banks, now once again it is time to look at these names post the correction. And our view is that on the earnings front, banking and finance is going to continue to dominate in terms of numbers, and you will see much better re-rating in banks and financials compared to the other sectors. So, State Bank of India and Raymond's Limited are the two long-term investment ideas. Mind you, friends, these are long-term investment ideas, so you need to have a longish time horizon by your side. These are not for short-term, medium-term, STBT, BTST, whatever you call it. Investment horizon has to be at least about 12, 16, 18 months plus. More the better to get meaningful returns from these investments. Don't put all your money at one time. Stagger your investments, and on corrections, start at current levels with a small amount, and on corrections, you can get opportunity to add to your investment, these two investment ideas. Thank you very much for your patience hearing, and I'll see you again next week. Till then, please do take care of yourself. Bye bye.